Welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Let's take a look at what these tyre markings mean. So 215, that's the tyre width in millimetres. 45 indicates the tyre's sidewall height as a percentage of the tyre width. R means it's a radial. 16 is the wheel rim diameter measurement in inches. 86H is the load index and speed symbol. And so 86 means it's got a maximum index load of 530 kilograms. And H means its approximate max speed that the tyre can service is 131 miles per hour. And then outside means the tyre is directional, and this side should be on the outside of the wheel. So then at the top there, we've got a tread wear rating of 380. So that means it should last quite a long time. So for instance, a tread wear of 300 should last 3 times longer than a tyre grade of 100. So here we have a traction rating of A, means it can effectively dissipate heat up to a maximum speed that is greater than 115 miles an hour. And there we go, that's confirmed by the temperature grade A, which is telling us we can go over 115 miles an hour and it will dissipate the heat. So there we have DOT, which is Department of Transportation, and there we have the US Department of Transportation tyre identification number. And next we have the week, which was 43rd week in 2020 when the tyre was manufactured. Carry on around the tyre. And this tells us it's a radial tubeless. Then we have the manufacturer, which is Kumho, which is a Finnish brand. And then a bit further around, we've got some maximum loads and pressures. This is the model of this particular tyre. And even though it's a Finnish brand, it's made in Korea. And there's their website address above there. So there we have E4, and the E means it's passed for European use, it's passed European standards, and 4 means that was tested and passed in the Netherlands. And then finally, on the tyre itself, we have some wear indicators, which in the UK, the minimum depth of wear you can go to is 1.6 mil. That's it from the Dadskillz car channel today. I hope you enjoyed that and found that informative. If you did, there's another video just as good as that YouTube have recommended to you on screen now. I'll see you again. Cheers.